say, class?
None, teacher.
Okay, very good. Do you have any assignment?
No, teacher.
None, teacher.
Okay. By the way, class, I would like to remind everyone for our classroom rules. Everyone, can you read?
Be kind to your classmates and teachers. Use polite and respectful language. Listen when the teacher is speaking. Stay focused and attentive during lesson. Help keep the classroom
clean. Okay, very good. So thank you, class. Please always put your mind on our classroom rules. Okay, so now, stand up everyone. Let's begin our day by singing to get energized. So everyone, let's stand and let's sing. So our sing is all about Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, thank you everyone. Are you ready to learn to say?
Yes, teacher.
Nice to hear that. But before we proceed to our discussion, let's have first recall what is our lesson yesterday. So can someone tell me what is noun?
Teacher,
Yes.
noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea.
Okay, very good. How about a verb?
Verb is an action word, teacher.
Okay, very good. It seems that you really understand our discussion last meeting. And now, I will show you a picture and I will ask some questions. Are you okay with that, class?
Yes, teacher.
So, the first person is, did you know who she is?
Yes, teacher.
She is bad person or good person?
Good person.
Okay, very good. How about this picture? Is she good person or a bad person?
Bad person.
Why is she a bad person? Okay, because she killed Snow White. Very good. How about this picture? Where do you think Snow White lived?
The forest.
Very good. Now, let's know a bit about Snow White. So, Snow White is a beautiful princess, please her evil stepmother, the queen who is jealous of her beauty. Snow White is the refugees of 7 dwarfs, but the Snow White with a poison apple. A handsome prince finds Snow White breaks in the forest with a kiss, and they fall in love. The queen is punished, and Snow White and the prince live happily ever after. Okay, based on the activity that we have, what do you think as our lesson this morning? Okay, very good. Our lesson this morning is all about short story. But we will not focus on short story because our topic is all about reap what we sow. But before we proceed to our discussion, let's have first our learning objective. Everyone, can you read?
At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to improve the learner's vocabulary, finding the meaning of the word through context clues. Note the important details pertaining to character, settings, and event. Infer characters, feeling, or traits and relate story, events, and one's experience.
Okay, thank you. And now, I have here a short story. Kindly listen everyone because later I will ask a few questions. Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
So our story entitled Reap What We Sow. One Sunday evening, Carlo was enjoying eating bananas. He threw the peelings out of the window. In the morning, Carlo got up early. Son, will you sweep the backyard before taking your breakfast? Mother said, maybe I'll just do it in this afternoon. I'm not ready for school. I still have to prepare my things, answered Carlo. You should have done it last night, advised mother. So the child got ready for school. He did not want to be late. He walked fast. Blood! Ouch! Carlo cried as he slipped on the banana peeling. Down he fell, his uniform became soiled on the table. He dropped her books. Mother immediately came running to him. Are you hurt? No, mother, I'm not hurt, said as he got up. He looked at the banana peeling. Somebody did not use the garbage can, mother said. I threw this banana peeling last night, mother. Next time I'll use the garbage can, regretful, Carl said. And that's the end of the lesson. Did you understand, class? Okay, very good. So what is the title of the story? Okay, the title of the story is Reap What You Sow. Who are the characters in the story? Okay, Carlo and his mother. What did you feel when you heard the word story? Okay, very good. It's sad. So did you understand that?
Yes.
Can you
teacher.
give it three claps? Okay, do you have any question or clarifications regarding our story?
None so
teacher.
far.
Very good. To sum up our discussion for today, I have a question for you. Again, what is our lesson this morning? Yes, Steve.
Reap what you sow,
Very,
teacher.
very good. So what important lesson did Carlo learn after sleeping on the banana peeling? Okay. Carlo learned that careless action during banana peeling anywhere can lead to accident. Think before we act and do what is right. So we should think our decision first until we should do it. Did you understand, class?
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
teacher.
Okay, so now I will group you into two groups. So this one will be the group 1 and this one will be the group 2. For group 1, write a short story paragraph explaining how the act of kindness made we feel or how it might have affected the other person. And for the group 2, draw a picture illustrating the act of kindness. Okay, very good. You did a good job. So now, let's proceed to our quiz. So direction, write check if the statement is doing good and write wrong if the statement is doing bad. Alright, did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
So are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and for your assignment, copy this and answer in your home. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
And that's the end of our lesson. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher.